Welcome to this video. I hope you're having a good time and you are just keeping up with the times. Today we are discussing about Jupiter. Jupiter is said to be the biggest planet. That it is so big that all other planets in the solar system could fit inside it. If it was any bigger, it might become too hot in the middle, start to glow and turn into another sun. That's how big it is. It is so big that it can fit all other planets into it. And if it had become a little bit more larger, right? If it had become greater than what it is now, then maybe it would have become so hot in the middle that it would have started to glow and would turn into another sun. There's question, is it true that Jupiter is trippy? Yes, the planet looks like it's wearing a giant pair of pajamas because of its bands of cloud. They are made of frozen crystals of water, ammonia, and other chemicals. So basically, there are so many clouds that appear in the atmosphere of Jupiter and they make it look like pajamas, as if it is wearing pajamas because it is so striped. The combination of these clouds is formed with water and ammonia along with other chemicals. So this is another thing which is very good to study. The other thing is we can ask ourselves, what is the Jupiter made of? We know that the earth has its core made up of molten rock. Here Jupiter is one of the planets known as the gas giants. So it is known as a gas giant. About 90% of it is made of gases called hydrogen and helium. So just like the sun, it has a lot of hydrogen and helium, about 90%. At the center of Jupiter is a small rocky core about as big as the Earth. So the core itself of Jupiter is as big as Earth. Earth, we remember, had a diameter of about 12,756 kilometers, and they say that the Jupiter's core itself is as big as that of the Earth. The other thing is, again, which I can share with you, is that you could fit two Earths inside the Great Red Spot, which is about 40,000 kilometers across. Now you may ask, what is the Great Red Spot? The Great Red Spot is the largest of storms. It's a very big storm that's happening in the atmosphere of Jupiter. So the violent winds whip up storms all over the planet Jupiter, but the Great Red Spot is the largest. It has been raging away for over 300 years. And it is so big that you can fit two Earths into it, because the Great Red Spot is about 40,000 kilometers across, whereas this one is only 12,756 kilometers across. So it's really big. So this was about Jupiter. In the coming videos, we will also discuss a little bit more about Jupiter, and then we'll move on to the other planets. Until then, please take care and stay happy.